Welcome to Learning League. We're doing trick-or-treating in the house because there's virus.
There's the virus, yeah.
Welcome to Learning League. Mommy is hiding in one door in Drew's office, and we're gonna trick-or-treat.
And what are you dressed up as?
Rapunzel.
Rapunzel?
Yeah. And my trick-or-treating.
That's your trick-or-treat basket?
Yeah, come on.
All right.
Trick-or-treat.
Hi there. Can you guess what my costume is?
It's a panda.
I'm a panda. All right, take a couple candies. All right, see you later. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Bye.
Bye.
What'd you get?
I got a candy bar and vampire teeth.
Candy bar and vampire teeth?
Yeah. It's blood.
Oh no.
Blood. And you need to eat it.
Is it good blood?
Yeah. It's candy.
What's it taste like?
I don't know because I didn't try it before. Come on to the next door.
All right. We gotta wait on Mommy to be ready. What else did you get? What was the candy bar?
A chocolate.
A chocolate? Did you get to pick it out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Trick or treat.
Hey. What do I look like?
I look like you look like a lady.
A ladybug. Here you go. All right, happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Bye.
Bye.
What'd you pick?
I got a vampire teeth with blood and the thing that you put on your wrist. The one
You
that
got a candy bracelet?
the one that has a skeleton doesn't get on your wrist. It doesn't
Oh, there's a skeleton one?
fit.
That's your room?
Yeah.
Do you think there's gonna be somebody in there?
Yeah.
Who do you think it's gonna be? We already saw a panda. We saw a ladybug.
Okay, I'm ready.
I think Big Bird.
You think
Trick or treat. It's a witch.
that's not Big Bird?
I'm getting lots of vampire teeth. All right, happy Halloween. Bye. Now you got to start over, okay? Okay.
All right. What do
I
you,
got some more vampire teeth
more vampire teeth?
and this that doesn't get on.
Oh, that's the one that doesn't get on your wrist. That's a skeleton. What does Rapunzel do with her hair?
Comes it.
What does she do with the frying pan?
Okay, I'm ready.
Yes. Trick or treat.
Hi.
It's Big Bird.
It's Big Bird.
It is Big Bird.
You know what? I'm in the last house. Here you go.
That's a
Happy
lot of
Halloween.
candy.
Bye. Can I have a hug? I love you. Bye.
That's so much candy. Oh, it's all over the floor. You toss it up in the.
Mommy,
Bye.
I trick or treat and
You went to trick or treat?
You got a lot of candy.
Big
Whoa.
Bird just threw out all of the candy in my backpack.
Big Bird's pretty nice.
You pretty much toss it up in the air like it's snow. Can you tell everybody happy Halloween?